Howdy farmer and tractor lover. I'm Kyle, and in today's video we're going to explore together the amazing Japanese apple, the delicious and highly sought after fruits that are grown in the mountainous regions of Japan. As we dive deeper into the world of Japanese apples, we'll learn about the various varieties, the growing process, and the challenges faced by apple growers. We'll also explore the economic importance of these fruits, both in Japan and globally. There are over 50 different types of Japanese apples, each with its own unique flavor and texture. Some of the most popular varieties include the juicy and sweet Fuji apple, the crisp and refreshing Shinano sweet apple, and the Honeycrisp apple, known for its thin skin and honey-like sweetness. The first step in the process is selecting the right location for the apple trees. Japanese apple growers carefully choose the best spots in the mountains to plant their trees, taking into consideration factors such as sunlight, water availability, and soil quality. Once the location is chosen, the trees are planted in the springtime. The trees are grown from seedlings, which are carefully nurtured in greenhouses before being transplanted to their permanent location. After the trees are planted, it takes a few years for them to start producing fruit. During this time, the trees are carefully pruned and trained to grow in a specific shape, which allows for easier harvesting and better fruit production. When the trees are mature, they start producing apples in the fall. The apples are hand-picked by skilled workers, who carefully select only the best and most ripe apples. One of the biggest challenges is dealing with pests and diseases. Apple trees are vulnerable to a variety of insects and diseases, which can severely damage the fruit and reduce crop yields. To combat this, Japanese apple growers use a combination of traditional and modern techniques, such as natural pest control methods and pesticides. Another challenge is the weather. Japan is prone to extreme weather events, such as typhoons and heavy snowfall, which can damage the apple trees and disrupt the growing season. To mitigate these risks, apple growers invest in advanced technologies and techniques, such as greenhouse farming and weather prediction systems. Japanese apples are highly sought after by consumers all over the world, and the demand for these premium fruits continues to grow. In fact, Japan is one of the top apple exporters in the world, with apple exports worth over $300 million in 2020. But the economic benefits of Japanese apples go beyond just the export market. These apples are also an important part of the domestic economy, with apple orchards providing jobs and income for communities in the mountainous regions of Japan. Japanese apples are a true symbol of Japan's dedication to quality and excellence. From planting to harvesting, apple growers work tirelessly to produce high-quality and delicious apples that are enjoyed by people all over the world. And with its economic importance and global demand, the Japanese apple industry will continue to thrive for years to come. Thank you for watching our documentary about Japanese apples. We hope you learned something new about these delicious and highly sought-after fruits.